welcome back to my channel. I'm Kanika and today I'm going to do the unboxing of this Pictionary Air game. If you want to buy this game, I've given the link in the description box. You can buy from there. And in this video, I will give a tutorial how to play this game and even show you the unboxing. So without any further ado, let's unbox. So friends, here we got some 2 pack of cards. One is blue and the other is orange. A Pictionary pen and 2 manuals. So I will read the manual I would read the manual and tell you guys what we have to do in short, so you don't have to read 2 big manuals. While you're drawing, you have to press this button or else it will not be activated and you cannot see your drawing. And we have on-off option over here, and we have to put a cell in here which we get with the pack. Okay friends, so the manual says the next step is to download an app which is called Pictionary Air. So let's see how we could download the app. Okay friends, so the manual says we have to download the app Pictionary Air. You could even download it at App Store or in the Play Store. So first we have to go to the App Store, then search Pictionary Air. You have to search. And after that, you have to download this app Pictionary Air. I've already downloaded it. And guys, if you have a smart TV, you could even connect your phone with the TV. Okay friends, now I will give you a demo how to play it. So let's draw on the air. Okay friends, now you have to open it and you have to click on the play option. Then you have Team 1 and Team 2. This game is played on teams. You could click on the color to change the color. You have to tap on them. So I want Team 1 to be pink and Team 2 be yellow. You have timer. You can change timer minimum 45 and the maximum 120. You even have rounds. The minimum is 3 and the maximum is 10. In this all play option, when you turn it on, you have to play with 2. It is necessary that you should have 2 light pens. So you could, both the teams choose one picturist which draws and both the team draws together. And you could even record your game. And when you are ready with all the settings, click on the play option. Who will draw will pick a card. It has 2 sides. He can draw anything like airplane, moose, high heels, spine, and he could even draw from here desk, kickball, campfire, spring, and the last one, which is highlighted red, gets double points. Okay friends, so after you click on play button, there's a start timer option, and you have to keep the device still, and there should not be a green or a red background, and you should not even wear green or red clothes, because you don't have to wear anything green or red. So after you start timer, it comes countdown 3, 2, 1, and then the player would start drawing. he would try to explain you something. He would like draw something and you would try to guess it. Okay. Is it a hand?
Correct.
And when it is correct, you have to click on the star. And when you get the last one correct, you have to click it double time. And when the player draws something and you not get it, then you could even erase from the side button. And we have so many options, like you can pause the game, edit the score, or even end your turn. So if I end your turn, like time's up, I would continue, and like I would get all the time and then do the same with the other also. So this is how you play this game Pictionary Air.